Massage chairs let you relax on a piece of comfy furniture without the guilt that goes with it, because you're doing something good for your body by loosening tight muscles and stimulating circulation throughout your body. High-end massage chairs have the benefit of being created by experienced doctors and chiropractors, and can relieve aches and pains much better than an average massage chair. There are many products available to choose massage chair recliners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best massage chair recliners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. FullBody Zero Gravity Shiatsu Massage Recliner. The Real Relax massage chair is a comparably less expensive option on this list. It provides good value for the money, but the quality of materials are a bit poorer than the more expensive options. On the plus side, the customer support is good, and there's a 3-year warranty. While there's a chance parts can break down, you can have the chair fixed for you within the 3 years. While many enjoy the massage this chair provides, the problem many customers have with this chair is that it provides too much pressure and not enough padding. With heat, vibration and 8 massage rollers, it has all the therapeutic features of a great massage chair, but it provides you with the benefit of laying at a zero-gravity position for spinal decompression. Number 2. RelaxinShare FullBody Gravity Massage Chair. The RelaxinShare MK2 Plus FullBody Massage Chair stands out by providing a heat feature and scanning your body with sensors to create a personalized massage. By elevating your feet to the same level as your heart, it allows you to lay suspended in a zero-gravity position. With the combination of heat therapy, the zero-gravity position and massage techniques like tapping, rolling and kneading, you can quickly relieve pain, tightness and fatigue throughout your body in this chair. Its massage programs are designed to provide deep tissue massages, and its stretching programs help decompress your spine to help you maintain spinal health and relieve back pain. The most amazing thing about this chair is that it's built with sensors that detect the length of your spine when you sit in it. It uses this data to create a therapeutic massage experience customized to your body size, so that each muscle in your back is targeted accurately. Its massage nodes are on an L track, which means it massages your buttocks in addition to your back. While the technology seems cutting edge, many customers have complained that this chair fails to provide adequate pressure for a good massage. Number 3. FullBody Electric Shiatsu Massage Chair Recliner. This massage chair offers a full body massage, and has 7 massage modes to include Shiatsu massage, kneading, tapping, stretching, combo, air pressure and heating. There are 9 preset auto massage programs as well as a manual option that puts you in full control of your massage. This massage has speed control, intensity control and width control. Plus, it offers a custom fit massage thanks to the smart body scan technology which scans your body and detects your body size. It can accommodate persons up to 6 feet 3 inches tall and up to 265 pounds. This massage chair comes equipped with 21 airbags located in the feet, calves, arms, hips, shoulder, and thighs. The device also comes with a total of 4 heating pads, 2 for the feet and 2 for the back. Number 4. Human Touch Whole Body 7.1 Massage Chair. This massage chair is designed for the whole body and offers 5 massage programs to include lower, upper, full, relax and sleep massage. It is developed with FlexGlide solution and comes equipped with 3D orbital system for a therapeutic massage. Human Touch boasts a Body Map Pro feature that allows you to select a specific area for relief. It also has warm air technology which targets the lumbar spine and prepares the muscles for a penetrating massage. The massage chair is made with an ottoman attached acting as a foot and calf massager. Plus the unique circulation technology is designed to massage the calves and optimize blood circulation, not only in your feet, but up to your core. Buyers noted that their controllers stopped working overtime, and some felt the massage chair was too small. But, the body map feature and circulation technology makes it a good choice to consider. Number 5. Kahuna Massage Chair. The Kahuna LM6800 massage chair scans your body size for an accurate massage. It has air cell technology like the Kahuna Hubit, but it only has 4 massage rollers, without 3D technology, on an L track, so the massage you get is much more limited. You get heating therapy on your lower back and legs, plus a foot massage, so you can relieve fatigued feet and legs at the end of the day. Customers say the massage chair provides great value because of everything it does, but it's not built with the best materials and is prone to technical issues. Luckily, there's a 3-year warranty and great customer service. Positive side of this product: scans your body size for accuracy, 3-year warranty, great customer service, heating for lower back and legs. Negative side of this product: many customers have had parts break down. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.